Here are 3 tips for getting the most out of Google Maps. A lot of people probably know this exists, but sort of forget it exists. Once you click directions in the Maps app, you can then click the 3 dots in the top right corner and click Add Stop until you've added all your destinations. Google Maps will then calculate the best route to reach all of your stops. How often have you found that you have bad service, either in a rural area or crowded tourist spot? Next time, plan ahead and download a map. You can find this option after clicking your profile, then Offline Maps, and select the area you'd like to have available offline. Say you're headed to the same destination as friends or family. You might want to share locations so each party will know when the other is due to arrive. You can either share your location via your profile under the Location Sharing tab, or share progress on a certain trip simply by swiping up on the navigation screen to reveal a Share Trip Progress option. And that's it. Happy travels.